They're at the post. They're off in the Natalma Stakes. New Normal broke running. New Normal like a bullet for the early lead. Street Chimes comes on a second now, and Sheba's a Secret in third in the early going. Down to the inside, Dos Lunas is a fourth, then pulling for Dixie in a fifth position under a tight rein. More Than Real's back 6 lengths off the lead and has a 2 beaten, the Platinum Angel and Molinaro Social. And it's New Normal. Javier Castellano trying to coddle her speed on the front end. Sheba's Secrets on the outside, second, and Street Chimes nestled in on the rail in third. Dos Lunas a close fourth, just 2.5 lengths off the lead. Then pulling for Dixie, starting to improve now, is More Than Real at the rail, still under a tight rein though. The two trailers are still Molinaro Social, and to the outside, the Platinum Angel. 47-4 for the opening half mile, 6 lengths first to last. New Normal trying to take it all the way on the front end. Sheba's Secret gets a little nudge on the outside. Dos Lunas move to the far outside in the purple cap by Eurico Rosa da Silva as they come to the quarter pole in the Natalma. Dos Lunas comes on the outside to do battle with New Normal, and Gomez sets down More Than Real out in the center of the course. What a fight here! New Normal on the outside, Dos Lunas. Street Chimes looking for running room. Far outside for More Than Real. New Normal all the way on the front end. New Normal punches her ticket for Louisville with a win in the Natalma. Finishing second was More Than Real, and Street Chimes was third.